Parecela Organic Dining Space by Armando O. Pandolfi in Tepoztlán, Mexico. The project arises from the interest in respecting the landscape and building with materials that are within reach, seeking a contemporary language with local resources. The architecture of the Organic Parcel Dining Room is sincere and honest, strictly adhering to the integral parcel project. It does not seek beauty, but a sustainable form to generate meaningful experiences through its intervention in the site and its context. The restaurant was built with recycled structures from greenhouses, minimizing the impact on the land and adhering to the color palette and textures with its rust. The service constructions are erased and disappear with mirrors that reflect the gardens and the landscape. The bar and kitchen counters were raised with stone from the spills of the Sukiuk volcano and covered with reclaimed wood from the area.